सो आई नो कि ये सेटअप देख के यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू बी मी yapping about something or me just sharing something. And yes, I know I have not been consistent at all. There are many reasons to it, which I don't know if you guys want to know or not, but I'm definitely gonna talk about it right now. So just skip to the next chapter if you have no interest in my life. But guess what, मुझे बताने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. Number one, did I just wash my hair to shoot this video? Yes. Why is my one eye red? I have no clue. And drum roll please. The most asked question. Janvi, why are you not consistent anymore? So okay, life has been happening and a lot of things have been hitting on me, and there are multiple reasons of why I have not been consistent. I'm just gonna be very honest and tell it to you guys. So number one being that I put up a poll on my community post. I know that was way after me not being consistent, but I had a lot of overthinking going on. So मैंने एक poll डाला asking what is my audience. Like I have so many of you guys, almost 1.5k से ज़्यादा subscribers I have now. And उसमें I wanted to know कि कौन हो तुम लोग, like what do you guys do? And it turns out कि सब aspirants हैं उसमें. So yeah, it's not a bad thing, but it's a good thing only. But like yeah, I don't want to milk my content on bitsat कैसे करना है, how I got 300 plus and ये and वो. मतलब to be fair, all of it just doesn't seem like something I would want to talk about a lot, because I myself don't like this JE and everything. I know it got me a lot of views and I'm very grateful for it, but I still have been figuring out what I really want to make content in. It's definitely not on site कैसे पढ़ना है, 300 plus कैसे करना है. I already made a lot of videos on that on Photo Club का account, and I'm pretty sure कि उससे बहुत ज़्यादा अलग नहीं होने वाला है, because I am only telling all of those things there, and I'm just kind of done helping aspirants. And I mean, I'm not done helping aspirants, but I'm just done speaking all of it. So I just didn't feel like making videos on it. But yeah, then I thought a lot and I was like, yeah, if it is helping a lot of people, then why not? I mean, I'm still not sure if I'm gonna make more videos on it, but yeah, I definitely am gonna give my audience what they want. So yeah, this was like one of the reasons. Uske alawa, there are a lot of reasons. I have been figuring out what I want to do in life, and a lot of things have been happening back to back in my life. So I've just been very, very busy, and I barely get any time to make long form videos and edit them and everything. And yeah, even if I do get a time, I just, as said earlier, I just did not have the motivation enough. I did not have enough motivation to make the videos. But yeah, I'm hoping I'm back right now. So I'll just quickly give you some life updates and something which are gonna come up in our videos next. So I've recently restarted my fitness journey. Like I used to be fit before JE, and JE ke samay, obviously I got very lazy and everything and studying all the time, so I became very fat, to be honest. Like I gained a lot of weight. So not a lot, but like yeah, some extra 5-6 kgs. Like I'm still normal in my BMI, but it is not way above than what I used to be. So yeah, I have restarted my fitness journey. I'm going to the gym almost daily or playing tennis, and so I've been like focusing on different aspects of life right now. And somehow I could not find content making to be on my priority, like my own YouTube on my priority. So I know that's a bad thing, but of course guys, I'm also still trying to figure out my life and everything I should do with it. And secondly, big news, I'll be going to Bangalore for 2 months of my summer internship, and yeah, so that's gonna be too much fun, I guess. And I'll be meeting a lot of people. I have been reaching out to a lot of creators, to a lot of startup founders, and a lot of Bitsians, and I'm very, very, very excited for it. And I'm going to meet them. So I'll be posting about my Bangalore diaries, obviously, no doubt in that. And I'm gonna, meet big people and I don't know, meet new people, and I'm definitely gonna make videos on that. And yeah, reels, long form videos, whatever. So, enough yapping about myself. This channel is definitely not for me. I love sharing things about my life. So, and तुम लोगों को तो सिर्फ वही सुनना अच्छा लगता है जो हो चुका है, which is my first year at BITS Goa and almost second year. Hi everyone, I am Janvi. I am a second year student at BITS Goa. I am from Raipur and my branch is computer science, which is totally irrelevant for me. Another video on its own. And uske alawa, I also work with a startup. Now, it's been almost 1 year working with them and it's been amazing. So, today I'm going to tell you my honest first year experience at BITS Goa. I'm going to talk about a lot of things. I'm not going to talk about friendships, parties, college clubs, and departments. And mm, yeah, I don't know why friendship was the first thing, but a lot of things changed because of that. So, yeah, and I'm going to talk about seniors. And I think these are the four most important things in first year. So, yes. Okay, first part of it, friendship. एकदम क्लीशे साउंड करेगा बट ट्रस्ट मी इट इज़ एज ट्रू एज पीपल से व्हेन यू कम टू कॉलेज यू मीट अ बंच ऑफ पीपल सम 10-15 पीपल एंड यू विल थिंक लाइक ये फ्रेंड्स फॉर एवर ये वो नो they are not your friends, they are not even near to being your friends. I mean, yes, of course there are some people who still are friends, very good friends with those people, but like एकदम cliche वाला experience मेरा ही रहा है. I met some 10-15 people and they all were of CS branch, so naturally it's just like they are gonna be my classmates and बार बार हम मिलते रहेंगे, so it's just very natural कि तुम घर friends बन जाओ. So that's what I did, but like I don't have anything against them, but it's just that ki I always felt a little out of place. I was like ki this is not what I want to do, like I want to explore other stuff also. I just don't want to stick to one thing ki हाँ CSE करना है in life. And honestly I felt very burnt out after my JEE, this whole quota Chaitanya thing, and I was not in the zone at all कि मैं दिन भर पढ़ाई करूँ या फिर CSE लाऊँ, तो मेरा वो मन भी नहीं था. And yeah, I was in the mood कि college है, I want to you know see new things, try out new stuff. I just don't want to stick to one thing from the beginning itself. So I'll just say कि mindset अलग था हम लोगों का. And obviously like फर्स्ट ईयर में हम थे साथ. फर्स्ट सेम वी वर फाइन ओनली, बट इन सेकेंड सेम एज सून एज आई गॉट माई इंटर्नशिप फोटो क्लब में, सो आई अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स चेंज, लाइक माई माइंड सेट चेंज कि ओके दिस इज समथिंग आई रियली enjoy कि what are the scope in these things and what all can I do out of it, and I can maybe escape from doing my degree because I don't like it at all. And I mean, it's not like I did not try. Of course, first year I did a little bit development वगैरह. I know कि CS is not about only development and everything, but yeah, I just knew somewhere, like I had this gut feeling कि I don't want to do it, so I wanted to just escape it and find new ways so that I can get out of it. And yeah, my friends were not so supportive in all of it, so somewhere I ended up being not friends with them in second year. In second year I met a lot of more people who were like my type and had the same mindset, had the same zeal to do things, and were very chill and everything. But yeah, my first year, these guys, I could not resonate enough with them, their energy and everything. So in after my first sem, I had like no contact with these guys. My advice to all of you is like, don't stick with one thing when you come to college. Like ऐसा नहीं कि तुम्हें एक bunch of लोग मिल गए and just stick to them. Like peers are very very important in your college. They're gonna shape your mindset, your throughout your journey, your career, everything. So don't just stick to one bunch of people. Like go and socialize and meet new people, although that's not something I have done बहुत अच्छे से, but yeah, I would recommend कि तुम ऐसा करो and just talk to people, know what they are up to, what mindset people have. Just don't get too much involved with one kind of group and then maybe end up feeling left out or getting hurt anyways. So yeah, that's all for friendship wala part. And at the end, just know that in college it is just you have to do everything yourself, so it really doesn't matter कि कितने सारे friends बने ना बने. One or two people whom you can rely enough to talk about stuff, to you know, who will give you a reality check in life rather than sugarcoating everything for you, is I think more than enough for you in college. At least till now is what I think. Maybe my opinion will change in 1 or 2 years. I forgot what was the second, third, and fourth point. I'm gonna pause this video, go back and see, and then come back and talk about it. ठीक है. Second point was party. So by parties, I did not really mean party. I meant overall everything, college fests, and of course तुम गोवा में हो तो थोड़ी मोड़ी party होती है, and like everything. So um, I was never really a very big fan of partying and everything. Like I have my elder sister and elder brother, so उनके कारण मैंने पहले थोड़ा मोड़ा ये party and बैंगलोर का club culture वगैरह देख रखा है, but I was not very big of a fan. बट या आई वुड से कि कॉलेज में फेस्ट होते हैं, सारे फेस्ट में नाइट्स होते हैं, बड़े बड़े आर्टिस्ट आते हैं, सो इट्स प्रीटी फन. एंड फर्स्ट ईयर में तो आई थिंक यू शुड डेफिनेटली बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, बिकॉज ऑलमोस्ट सबका फर्स्ट टाइम ही हो रहा होता है इन कॉलेज टू एक्सपीरियंस ऑल ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. सो yeah, pretty much fun. I was also a part of it in college. Yes, I was. And did I go out enough in first year and party? No, I did not, because किसी को फर्स्ट ईयर में ड्राइविंग नहीं आती, यू जस्ट डोंट फील इनफ safe with the people you have met, because you have not really found your people to trust enough to go out and everything. So yeah, back I don't have so much opinion on this party thing, but college ke fest nice, good to experience first time. At least first year mein you should experience. Yeah, coming to clubs and departments, like I would say ki if you want to try out tech, go to tech clubs. If you want to try out finance consulting, go to these clubs. If you want to try out any art forms, mein dance, drama, I don't know, anything, like seriously anything, you can just go to these clubs and departments. You have people who are doing very well in all of these clubs and departments who are already there. And a lot of my friends, they have made a lot of network through these clubs and departments. They have learned lot of new skills. They have found their places where they want to be in life through these clubs and departments. So in first year, definitely a go. You should. Like I don't know why I did not do any of it. Like I was only in Department of Photography, Arts and Decoration. I was in Developer Society, and I was in culinary club. Yeah. So and some idhar udhar ke, and matlab I don't know, I just did not have enough josh in first year, so I didn't even go to inductions of any other clubs and departments, which is not what you should do. I think you should definitely give it a try. And तुम first year में रहो clubs departments में. first year में I think you should do everything, because बहुत time है तुम्हारे पास. You don't have much CATS का pressure. I mean you do have, but like it's very easy. JEE का extension ही होता है, तो उतना भी difficult नहीं होता. first year में बिना पढ़े भी 7 CG आ जाती है, so it's fine. You should explore all these clubs and departments. कुछ नहीं तो I think you'll at least get to learn some stuff from भैया दीदी, and you'll at least find some new ways and find some people who are doing different things in life rather than just engineering. And बहुत talented होते हैं actually club department के लोग, at least मतलब कुछ तो होते हैं, at least how much as I have seen. So if you really have some interest, good to go. You should definitely give it a try. मतलब ओवरऑल वही है कि you should not restrict yourself from trying anything in first year. I know everyone says this, and have I done it? Not much. Recently someone told me that you have this gut feeling and you always go with it. That yeah, I have always been somewhere like that कि मुझे gut feeling होती है कि मुझे यही करना है, and I just do it, and I don't calculate enough कि consequences क्या है, ये वो. But I like it that way. But in general, you should do it. Like if you feel like club department में जाना है, then बिल्कुल जाना ही चाहिए. And even if you don't feel like, go for the inductions and everything, वो भी fun होता है. Like I remember having so much fun during Mind Club का inductions. So yeah, it's fun. You should try it out. Next thing being seniors. So I met a lot of seniors in my first year. Like I still talk mostly to seniors only, and I love being around seniors. Like 100%। बहुत ही बढ़िया होता है, लाइक आई एम टेलिंग यू इट्स द ईज़ीएस्ट वे एंड इट इज़ द सीक्रेट ऑफ सक्सीडिंग इन कॉलेज कि तुम्हें कुछ एक पाथ अच्छा लग रहा है, तुम उसमें सीनियर्स खोजते जाओ जो उसमें एक्सीड कर रखे हैं एंड उनका माथा खाते रहो चपड़, 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 भैया ये कैसे होता है, वो कैसे होता है दीदी, ये क्या दीदी, वो क्या। उनको हर एक स्टेप में परेशान करते रहो और मतलब ये परेशान करने के लिए तुम्हें अपना इनफ वर्थ दिखाना पड़ेगा कि ऑब्वियसली कि मैं इतना कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ। इसलिए वो तुम्हें अपने इनर सर्कल या उसमें कुछ आने देंगे आई गेस। एंड या दैट्स लाइक टू गुड, लाइक कीप इंटरेक्टिंग विद योर सीनियर्स जितना पॉसिबल हो, उनका माथा खाते रहो, उन्हें हर छोटी छोटी चीज़ें बकवास करते रहो, पूछते रहो कि कैसे होगा कैसे होगा कैसे होगा। दैट्स वेरी इजी, लाइक उनके थ्रू तुम्हें बहुत सारी हेल्प मिलेगी। यू काइंड ऑफ फिगर आउट लाइफ ऑन योर ओन थ्रू सीनियर्स। लाइक सो मेनी ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स जिसको जो करना है, आई एम प्रिटी श्योर दे हैव सम गो टू सीनियर कि उनके पास चले जाओ और बस पूछ लो कि लाइफ में ये हो गया वो हो गया, बी इट करियर रिलेटेड, पर्सनल लाइफ और legit anything. Like seniors have a solution. Like if you are स्टक समवेयर इन कॉलेज या कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गई, कोई बीटी हो गई कॉलेज में, उसमें भी सीनियर्स ही हेल्प करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट ईयर में तो लाइक यू शुड मीट अ लॉट ऑफ सीनियर्स एंड टॉक टू देम एंड एवरीथिंग, लाइक दे आर रियली गुड। मेरे को मेरे सेकेंड सेम में गो टू सीनियर्स मिले थे, लाइक ध्रुवा इज़ माई गो टू सीनियर, वॉज क्या स्टिल इज़। एंड उसके अलावा कुशल भैया हैं एंड आई मेट इवन मोर पीपल थ्रू देम। Like I took all of big decisions in life and I'm still taking, and I did whatever they told me to कि ऐसे करो वैसे करो, and trust me all of it helps a lot. Like they already have experienced all of it, so तुम्हें वो 0 से लेके 10 तक का पेन थोड़ा कम हो जाता है, बिकॉज तुम्हें यहाँ से यहाँ जाने के लिए वो तुम्हारे लिए कुछ स्टेप स्किप कर देते हैं एंड बता देते हैं कि ऐसे होता है वैसे होता है डायरेक्ट। सो इट्स जस्ट अ क्विक शॉर्टकट एंड आई विल से इट्स अ very very important thing in college life कि you meet good seniors and you keep them around you, because that's gonna help you forever in life in ways you never imagined. And yeah, that's one thing I am very grateful for. And इसके अलावा ज़्यादा कुछ हुआ नहीं फर्स्ट ईयर में यार, बिकॉज आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर मैं फर्स्ट ईयर में दिन भर करती क्या थी। लाइक एटलीस्ट आई नो कि व्हाट आई डू, आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर मैं करती क्या थी। लाइक फुल ऑन टाइम पास होता है एंड उसके अलावा बहुत मस्ती होती है कॉलेज में। एंड हाँ, इट इज़ नॉट सो मच ग्लोई ग्लोई जैसा लगता है सोशल मीडिया में एवरीथिंग कि सिर्फ पार्टी हो रही है सिर्फ मस्ती हो रही है, ऐसा नहीं होता। यू हैव टू स्टडी, लाइक थोड़ा मोड़ा पढ़ाई, इफ़ यू टेक पढ़ाई सीरियसली देन पढ़ना तो पड़ता ही है। सो पढ़ाई वढ़ाई भी होती है एंड असाइनमेंट्स एंड लैब्स एंड एवरीथिंग भी होता है। Anyways, this was a quick I'm coming back video and I didn't have much in mind कि मुझे क्या बारे में बात करनी है क्या बनाना है, but I'm definitely gonna work on this and be more consistent from now. And so yeah, bye bye, see you in my next video.